Hi, my name is Will. I was in grade 11 this year. I'm going into grade 12. I go to Rockridge Secondary School in West Vancouver, British Columbia, and I guess a few things that you should know about me is that I'm super involved in robotics and engineering and CAD and design and stuff, and 3D printing. 3D printing is cool, yeah. Actually, yeah, 3D printer. I worked a summer job and purchased a 3D printer, and it was one of the best purchases I've ever made. I definitely say it's very good. It's treated me very well. Yeah, it's been good. I've made a few things. I've got like a zip line that does zip line things and drops beanbags, and a remote control car that no longer works, which is why it's hanging from the wall. I've got this hydraulic arm here, which appears to have just broken, but I guess, oh my goodness, it's broken twice now. I'm gonna stop touching it. And then I got this like thing printing for an engineering project in my engineering class. I'm actually part of the robotics academy at my school. We do competitive robotics, specifically the Vex robotics competition. My team and I actually qualified for the world championships 2 years ago, but this year, because of COVID and everything, we didn't really have the opportunity. I like mountain biking and kayaking and stuff like that. Yeah. Aside from that, though, I have two dogs. Their names are Buddy and Tracker. They're very cool. I like them. They're very good dogs. Aside from that, though, I think that's all. It's pretty much me, I guess. Oh, I'm from the States. I've lived in Canada for actually basically half my life now, and I very much like Canada. Canada's very cool. I get it, because snow, and I'm not keeping this in the video. Yeah, that's pretty much all. I am looking forward to doing shad and having fun shadding. Very, very, very cool.